Unlock the secrets to financial prosperity by avoiding these 4 detrimental bedtime habits. Discover why doing them could be silently attracting poverty into your life. Are you unknowingly sabotaging your financial success? Stay tuned to transform your bedtime routine and welcome abundance into your life. Before bedtime, there are 4 habits you should steer clear of, as they tend to deplete your energy, distance wealth, and attract poverty into your life. Chances are, many of you watching this video are unknowingly engaging in at least one of these detrimental practices, negatively impacting your bedtime routine and influencing your financial energy and vibration. These seemingly innocuous actions are subtly drawing negativity into your finances each day, but the good news is that they are avoidable. Unfortunately, awareness is often lacking. It's common to be unaware of the things we're doing wrong, and this lack of awareness can lead to recurring challenges. I'm here to guide you and provide simple steps to transform your feelings, creating a positive shift in your life. Rather than viewing these suggestions as mere concepts, I encourage you to try them for yourself. Now, let's delve into the first crucial step: refraining from going to sleep immediately after a disagreement. When unresolved issues linger in your mind as you drift off, it can disrupt your sleep and leave you waking up feeling uneasy the next day. Sorry to interrupt, but I couldn't keep this to myself any longer. I recently made $10,000 in just 11 days, and the key to my success lies in the mind-blowing wealth secrets exposed by a rogue NASA scientist. If you're eager to attract money effortlessly, check out the link in the comments below and unveil the shocking revelations that can revolutionize your financial journey starting today. The impact of your thoughts before sleep is substantial. Negative thoughts can permeate different aspects of your life, affecting not only personal harmony, but also your financial situation and relationships. Historical figures, such as Jesus of Nazareth, emphasized the importance of forgiveness before bedtime, underscoring the timeless truth about the influence of our last thoughts. To ensure a positive journey into the realm of dreams, break the pattern of negative energy. Change your thoughts before bedtime by taking a moment outdoors, connecting with nature, and focusing on the positive aspects of your life. Harness the energy of abundance, which contributes to a sense of well-being and happiness when things are going well. Going to bed with the weight of an unresolved argument and negative feelings disrupts this positive force, impacting various facets of your life. Make a conscious effort to cultivate positive thoughts before sleep, setting the stage for a restful night and a path toward financial success. Moving on to the second practice to avoid: allowing work worries to bother you at night. As discussed in a recent video, it's crucial to maintain peace when going to bed. Negative vibes from discontent with your job can permeate every aspect connected to it, affecting your overall well-being. Before bedtime, clear the bad energy from work and consider it a separate space. If you're unhappy with your current job, formulate a plan for change. Remember, significant transformations occur when you decide to change, echoing the principles highlighted in The Secret. Whether you have a job or not, it's essential to go to bed without stressing about work-related matters. The Bible's wisdom reminds us that those who already have will receive more, while those without may lose what little they have. Energy acts as a magnet, attracting more of what occupies your thoughts. Focusing on scarcity before bedtime may perpetuate a mindset of lack, while envisioning abundance can attract positive outcomes. This isn't just theoretical advice, it's rooted in personal experience. The third practice to avoid is stressing about money and shortages before bedtime. Follow the counsel of ancient philosophers like Plato and Socrates, approaching the moments before sleep with a calm mind. These moments are like a blank canvas where you can imagine a future without financial troubles. Cultivate a nightly habit of envisioning yourself in a state of abundance, feeling the bills in your hands, and relishing the smell of success. The key is to change your thoughts and mindset, as demonstrated in the story from The Secret. Much like a change in self-image transformed a comedian's life, altering your perception can lead to positive shifts in various aspects of life. Leave your past work in a way that invites positive opportunities. The pain associated with letting go of past jobs is a necessary step toward attracting good opportunities. The fourth and final practice to avoid before bedtime is watching TV or the news. Recognize that news outlets often focus on sensational content to capture attention for advertisements. Similarly, TV shows may spotlight tragedies, as our minds are naturally drawn to problems. If you go to sleep with negative images in your mind, including those from horror movies, it can impact your dreams and sleep quality. Consider the power of attention in attracting good things. The moments before sleep serve as a canvas where you can shape your future by focusing on positive aspects. Going to bed without stressing about money and shortages contributes to a calm mind, aligning with the teachings of ancient philosophers. Embrace this nightly habit of imagining a future without financial troubles, experiencing the freedom of having enough to pursue your dreams and settle your debts. Remember, successful individuals enjoy peace, while stress and worry often accompany those dealing with poverty. Choose the path of abundance by calming your mind before sleep, cultivating positive thoughts, and feeling as if you already possess the abundance you desire. This practice can transform your life from one marked by lack to a flourishing existence. In wrapping up this transformative exploration, I want to leave you with a powerful reminder. The journey to a positive and prosperous life begins with small but impactful changes to your bedtime routine. As we've discussed, avoiding these 4 common pitfalls before bedtime can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Remember, these practices are not just theoretical concepts. They are rooted in personal experiences and wisdom passed down through the ages. Each night, as you approach the canvas of your thoughts before sleep, consider it an opportunity to shape a future filled with abundance, joy, and financial success. I encourage you to embark on this journey with intention and commitment. Try these suggestions for yourself and observe the positive shifts in your life. Break free from the negative energy patterns, transform your thoughts, and set the stage for restful nights and a path toward financial prosperity. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experiences and insights can inspire others on their journey to positive change. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on more valuable content. Before we part ways, I want to express my gratitude for joining me on this journey. Remember, big changes don't need a set schedule. They start with a decision. Start today, and may your nights be filled with positive thoughts, restful sleep, and dreams that align with the abundant life you deserve. Until next time, stay positive, listen to your inner voice, and create a life that mirrors your dreams. Wishing you abundance, prosperity, and a future filled with joy. Take care, and see you in the next video.